Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we have the TOZO T20 earbuds, which is another amazing product by TOZO. So these earphones comes with many amazing features inside them. It comes with environmental noise cancellation, wireless charging, and it is also compatible with the TOZO application, by which you can apply many equalizer modes to enhance your music experience. In this video we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features, but before we start, if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So let's get right into it, and first of all let's find out everything which comes inside this box. So here's the box. Let's get it out. First of all we get the documentation here. Inside it we have two books. First one is the quick guide while the other one is the user manual. On the user manual we have the QR code. You can scan it to activate the 18-month warranty. After that we have a box inside it, and as shown on it we have the USB-C cable to charge the earbud case and the ear tips of different sizes so the earbuds fit perfectly in your ears. In the end we have the TOZO T20 earbuds inside it. So let's go ahead and take a closer look on them. So here is the first look on the case. It comes with matte finish on it. On the top we get the TOZO logo, and on the back side we have the USB-C cable to charge the earbuds case, and here we have the wireless charging area. And if you go ahead and open it, we also get an LED display on the front, and here we have some information about the earbuds and the charging capacity of the case. So let's get the earbuds out. So here's the first look on the earbuds. Let's go ahead and take a closer look on them. First of all, if we talk about the finish, we have the matte finish here and shiny finish on this side. We have the TOZO logo here. Then here we have the sensors area. Here we have the magnetic charging points. Here is the letter L indicating that it's the left earbud, and if we remove the silicone ear tips, then here is a look at the speaker. So as advertised, it comes with 7mm speakers and a 10mm dynamic driver, and the 10mm dynamic drivers are finally tuned by the exclusive Homage X acoustic 2.0 sound technology, achieving a perfect frequency response curve and offering original lossless sound effects. And after that it comes with dual mic ENC, which is the environmental noise cancellation for better and clearer calls. And if you talk more about them, they have IPX8 level water resistance, which can withstand exposure to sweat and rain without damage. And now it is time to connect them with Bluetooth. First of all, they are advertised to come with Bluetooth version 5.3 with a connection range of 10 meters. So to connect them, all you need to do is just open the lid, then go to settings, then go to your Bluetooth settings, and here scroll down and you will see TOZO T20. So connect with them. So now they are connected. I would recommend you to choose the device type. Specifying the type of the device can ensure your headphone audio level measurements are accurate. I'm gonna select headphone, and not just Bluetooth, you can also connect them with TOZO application. Scroll down and tap on the plus icon, and here you will see that it has detected TOZO T20. So now they are connected, but to activate the functions you will have to get the earbuds out of the case and then connect them again. And now you will see the more sound effects option here. If I tap on the gear icon, we also have the OTA update option. Currently they are running the latest firmware version. You can also customize the gesture controls on the earbuds. If you talk about the default gestures, then on the right one we have the play and pause gesture on the single tap, and on double tap it will play the next song. If you triple tap, it will activate the voice assistant, and on press and hold it will increase the volume level. Then here is the left one, and if you talk about the default gestures on the left earbud, then just like the right one we have play and pause on single tap, but on double tap it will play the previous song or play the song from the beginning. Then on triple tap we again have the voice assistant. Then on press and hold it will decrease the volume level, and if you continue to press and hold it will continue to decrease the volume level. Other than that, during an incoming call, if you tap once on either of them they will accept the call. If you press and hold for 2 seconds it will reject the incoming call, and during an ongoing call if you press and hold for 2 seconds it will hang up the call. So other than that, we also have the more sound effects option. So it comes with many sound effects here, and you can apply whichever one suits the best for you. My favorite one is the bass plus option. Another good thing about the application is that it also saves the last location where it was connected with the smartphone. So if you are unable to find your earbuds, you can check their last location here. So now it is time to test them. First of all, I'm gonna check out its fit. Here is the right one, and after that here is the left one. So the fit is looking quite good. It is fitting comfortably in my ears. If the fit is not good for you, you can check out the other silicone ear tips available in the box and choose the one according to your ear size. Another thing that I'm noticing is that because of the silicone ear tips, the fit is quite good and it is providing natural noise cancellation. Currently the air conditioner is turned on in my room and I'm not hearing its noise at all. So first of all, we're gonna test it for music. So I'm gonna take help of Spotify. Currently I do not have any equalizer mode, so let's go ahead and play a song. The overall bass, the overall treble, the voice of the singer, everything is looking quite good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bass booster equalizer mode from the TOZO application. Do remember that if you are using the bass booster mode from the TOZO application, then make sure you turn it off from the settings of your smartphone. And if you're listening to songs on Spotify, then turn off the equalizer mode from the Spotify application as well. So let's try it again. Yeah, the bass booster mode is really good, and I don't think that I'm gonna turn it off ever. So for the music, just like the other TOZO devices, it's a 10 out of 10. And after music, it is time to test it for calling. It comes with environmental noise cancellation, because of which the other person won't be able to hear the background noise and the calling experience will be really good. So now I have called on my other device, so let's test out the microphone. Hey there, iMAT here. Currently we are testing TOZO T20. So as you noticed that there was no background noise in my voice because of the environmental noise cancellation. And if I try out the speakers, then the speakers are also quite good and I'm hearing the next person quite clearly. And I've tried earbuds from many companies, and to be honest, when it comes to calling, the TOZO earbuds and even the headphones are my favorite. And in the end, it is time for the gaming test. So for the gaming, I tried out the Call of Duty, and the experience was really good. The latency was really low. I was hearing the gunshots right when they were fired. Then because of the stereo mode, the steps of the enemies were quite clear and I was able to detect if the enemy was coming from the right side or the left side. So it is a great device for gaming lovers also, and just like every other TOZO device that I've reviewed, it's a great device even if you're purchasing it for music, for calling or gaming. In the end, if you talk about the battery life, then the charging case comes with a battery capacity of 500 mAh, and using the USB-C cable provided inside the box, it takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge the charging case from 0%. So I really like that it supports Type-C cable for charging, but not only that, it also supports wireless charging, which is a great option in my opinion. Now if you talk about the earbuds, then each of the earbuds comes with a battery capacity of 57 mAh and it takes around 2 hours to fully charge using the case. If you talk about the battery time, then on 50% volume, each earbud can give you 10.5 hours of music playback on single charge, and with the charging case, it can give you around 48.5 hours of music playback time. I've been using the TOZO products for quite a while now, and they have impressed me with their quality, their sound, their overall experience, and especially the battery life. So guys, this was all from today's video and from these amazing earbuds. To be honest, they are great in this price range. It comes with environmental noise cancellation, because of which the call quality was really good, and other than that, the latency was also quite low, and I also really enjoyed the gaming experience with these earphones. These earbuds are also compatible with the TOZO application, using which you can apply many equalizer modes and enhance your music experience. I really liked the bass booster mode. Other than that, it not only has Type-C charging, but it also has wireless charging, which is another great option. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the earphones. For more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.